You can now take any boring PowerPoint or PDF file and turn it into an AI presenter video with your own clone in it. This way you can give presentations without ever having to record yourself again. No more recording different takes because you made a mistake. No more getting into the right mood before giving a presentation. It all happens on autopilot. The AI can even write the script for you, or you can edit it yourself. And what's more, with one click you can translate your presentation into any language, including the voiceover and the text, and with perfect lip sync. It only takes a few minutes, and in this video I will show you how to use this tool. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. So the first step is to create our AI clone. We only have to do this once and it takes less than a minute. Now there are a lot of other features here that we can use our clone for, but in this video we will focus on the PowerPoint feature. We could use one of the existing public avatars. Those are AI people that you can just plug into your presentations, but it's better if you show yourself, right? We can create a new clone here by adding a new avatar, clone a real person, and then you just have to follow the instructions here. You need a camera and a microphone, or you can record yourself on your smartphone, which might be easier for you. I actually use my smartphone as my webcam. There is software for Android and iOS that allows you to do this. And then click on I'm ready and just follow the instructions. It's very easy. You have to read a 15 seconds script and the AI then uses this footage to clone your likeliness, and then you can use your clone in any future video. It's super cool. I already created my clone and it even clones your voice.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview.
As you can hear, it even has my stupid German accent, but it sounds very much like me. The cool thing is, this tool already integrates all the popular voice engines like 11 Labs and Fish, so you don't have to use yet another tool or add some integration. It's all available right inside here. There is also this automatic eye correction feature, because when you create your clone, you have to read a script, so you're looking at the screen, and this corrects your eyes to look at the camera. If you want to create your own clone, I will put a link to this tool into the video description below. But let me first show you how to use our clone. So we want to focus on this PPT/PDF to video feature. Here we can generate a presentation using AI. We will try this out later. For now, I want to upload an existing presentation. An existing PowerPoint file that I already prepared on how to achieve 10% body fat. We created this in another video of mine with an AI tool called Magic Slides. I will put a link to this video into the description as well. You can check it out later. So we select our avatar. That's me, the one with the eye contact correction. We keep import slide content as editable elements selected. This way we can change the text, and later the AI can translate the text in the slides, which is super useful. And then we can select if we want to import speaker notes or generate a script with AI. We will use the latter, and then we create a video. And by the way, are you overwhelmed by the barrage of AI tools that comes out every single day? Then I have the right resource for you. I started a newsletter where I send you a single tool with one practical use case into your email inbox every day. This is how the email looks. It's concise, it's actionable. One tool every day with one use case, not a ton of text, just short step-by-step instructions. Sign up at toolcorner.ai/newsletter. It's completely free, and you can also find the link in the video description below. And now enjoy the rest of the video. And then we get redirected to this editor with our presentation loaded inside it and an AI generated script. The only glitch I encountered is that my text here is cut off. Maybe there's something wrong with my original presentation file, but I found that I can fix this by just double clicking this element and then the rest of the text appears. So there is some bug in here, but we can easily fix this by just double clicking these elements to make sure they are shown properly. Here it looks good. And the voiceover script was AI generated automatically to fit each slide. We can change this. You can just type in here and update this. We can listen to this as a preview because the video is not yet generated. This will be done in the next step. This is just a preview for us to check if everything sounds fine.
Welcome to our discussion on achieving a lean physique through mastering intermittent fasting. Today we'll explore effective strategies to
So it sounds like me. We also have some options to change the delivery style. We could speak the whole script ourselves, and we have this auto enhance feature, which uses AI to add these tags here that change the tone of my voice. So this part will now be spoken in an excited way. Let's listen to it again.
Welcome to our discussion on achieving a lean physique through mastering intermittent fasting. Today, we'll explore effective strategies to reach 10% body fat.
Sounds pretty good. We can do this for the other steps as well. Auto enhance, we get some tags here. And we have a bunch of other AI tools in here. You can add different AI generated media. We can even remove the background of my camera down here, which is done via AI, but I actually prefer the original. You can play around with this, try out these different tools. You can add background music, captions. But for now, I just want to generate the video. We can give it a title, select the resolution, format, and so on, and submit this. And our presentation is ready. Let's check it out together.
Welcome to our discussion on achieving a lean physique through mastering intermittent fasting. Today, we'll explore effective strategies to reach 10% body fat. Achieving 10% body fat requires
So my face and movement look super realistic, and it automatically moves between slides.
mental fortitude. Establishing a strong psychological foundation is crucial for consistent.
To be fair, the script is a bit generic because we created it completely with AI. So you might want to edit the script before you generate the video, but the result is super nice. And you don't have to record yourself to make these presentations. We have a bunch of different editing tools available, and one of them is to translate this whole presentation into one of over 100 different languages. Let's try out German. We want to translate the script and also the text on the canvas. So this should translate the text that we see in the presentation itself. Let's give this a try. So again, before it generates the video, we get this draft. So we can double check that everything is correct. Again, we have the same cutoff problem that we fixed by double clicking each element, but the translation is correct. It translated the text and the script. And I think this is super cool. I'm gonna generate this again in German, but I'm gonna delete all slides except for the first one because I don't want to waste credits on this. So now with only slide 1, I click generate and generate this in German. Let's check out the result.
Willkommen zu unserer Diskussion über das Erreichen eines schlanken Körpers durch das Beherrschen des intermittierenden Fastens.
The translation is super precise and the text is translated as well. What more do you want? We can also generate a presentation from scratch using AI. Here we can just give it a topic. Let's use one of these example prompts. We again have to select our avatar, number of slides, and a bunch of other settings like our target audience, the tone, language, amount of text per slide. Let me just quickly fill this in and create this presentation. So now we have a fully AI generated presentation with virtually zero effort. Again, we have this little glitch in here, so we might have to make some fixes manually, but other than that, the quality looks pretty good. And our AI clone does the presentation for us with an AI generated script. It couldn't be any easier. I'm not gonna generate a video, but we can listen to the preview of the script.
Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second step.
Sounds pretty good. And we even have AI generated images here. The only annoying part is that the text is cut off, so we always have to double check this and correct it manually, but it's not a big deal. HeyGen also has an API and agent skills. So if you want to use something like Cloud Code to generate your presentations, you can install it as an agent skill. The instructions are here. There are also a lot of different integrations available, for example, as a ChatGPT app for Canva, Slack, and so on. I will put a link to HeyGen into the video description below. Try it out yourself. They have a free tier. And if you want to see more cool stuff you can do with your AI clone, check out this full HeyGen playlist where I have many more videos about the HeyGen's different features. And then I hope I see you in the next video. Take care.